next vegetable required to make the antidote. Chili pepper.
Thanks, Wiki. You're the best thing that's ever happened to me. The Mutant Pad's new personality app is so cool.
Flirting with your tablet. That's all we needed. Dude, you're too dependent on technology.
What I feel for Wiki is a love that can never be. And give me a break. I'm not dependent on technology.
Shooter, time for pee-pee.
Come on, pull over a second. I gotta go water the plants.
Beep, beep. Shooter, remember to breathe or you'll suffocate.
Why bother thinking if a machine can do it for you? What's going on?
Open zipper detected.
Oh, yeah. Thanks. Hey, guys, where are you? Sheriff? Brutix? If this is a joke, it's not funny.
Your friends have been captured.
Ah, who's speaking?
They fell into the hands of Tonguex, the camouflage mutant.
Who said that?
You never find them because Tongue X doesn't leave a trail.
Aha! Now you I can see.
You're talking to a bush. Can you take your butt out of my face?
Huh? What? Stop! You're driving me crazy! Who are you people? And who is Tongue X?
I'm Torment, and this is Phoenix and Fortune Soldier. We were the cabin crew on an airplane that crashed in the jungle.
To your right, you can see trees that are of no conceivable interest.
And to your left, more of the same.
When we crashed here, Tongue X polished off the rest of the crew. We survived by learning from nature. Believe me, taking on Tongue X on your own is the worst idea I've heard since the day I wiped my armpits with poison ivy.
I don't care. They're my friends and I'm going to find them.
You're a reckless fool, but I like you. We'll train you up so you can stand some kind of a chance.
Okay, but I'm not sticking leaves all over my suit.
Feel yourself becoming one with nature. You must hear her calling you.
How's she gonna call me if she doesn't have my number? I'll call her. Wiki, look up the number of nature. Is that a first name or a last name? Ouch!
Concentrate and close your eyes. Learn to look deeper. Choose one of the weapons before you.
But they're just reeds and sticks.
This is not a reed, it's a blowpipe.
Ouch!
This is not a stick, it's a sword.
Ouch! I get it. This is not a stone. It's
It's a piece of dried mutant dung. Huh. But in nature, anything can be a projectile, even a dried up piece of dung.
Ow, 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 ow. Ouch!
Broken branch, a fluttering leaf. You will only see Tongue X if you trust your senses. The jungle is speaking to you. That is the true call of nature.
Yes, now I can hear the call.
Emergency. It's pee-pee time again.
I'll be right back. Don't stop the mystical vibes on my account.
Oh.
Darn it, Tongue X, not again. Can't a guy go pee-pee in peace? At last, I can hear the call. I'm coming for you, Tongue X. Aim on, freak. A broken branch. Falling leaves. A signpost. Gotcha.
And would you mind getting your butt out of my face?
I'd be delighted to if your friend would take his foot out of my ear.
Guys,
Shooter!
I'm gonna get you out of here. Just stay completely...
Oh no, he'll flatten him!
Shooter, remember what you learned.
This isn't a reed, it's a blowpipe. This isn't a stick, it's a sword. On guard! I don't believe it. There's nothing left. Huh?
It's pee-pee time.
Anything can be a projectile. Thanks for teaching me.
Thank you, and you can rely on us as loyal members of La Résistance. But Shooter, what's the matter?
With all that craziness, I forgot to pee. I'll be right back. Don't even think about disappearing.
New users. Torment, Phoenix, and Fortune Soldier. User attributes. Accuracy, 4. Strength, 4. Intelligence, 2. Energy, 1.
Hi, I'm Torment, and I used to be the fastest flight attendant on the planet, because I could point to all the emergency exits at the same time. And now, fasten your seatbelt, because we're about to introduce you to Tonguex, the camouflage mutant.
Tonguex.
Tonguex is a mutant who's almost as good at camouflaging himself as we are, but not as good as your average airline passenger, because nobody can match them when it comes to camouflaging bread rolls from the in-flight meal in their pants.
Mutant attributes. Evil, 2. Strength, 3. Intelligence, 3. Mutation, 2.
It's impossible to spot Tonguex in the jungle, because he disappears quicker than the complimentary headphones on a plane. To catch him, you have to focus on the little traces he leaves in his wake. A broken twig, a footprint, a car flipped upside down. It's easy to follow his trail when he runs out of deodorant. Puh! Tonguex is a bigger pain in the butt than passengers who keep hitting the call button. Flight attendant, I want a blanket. Flight attendant, water. Flight attendant, how much longer to go? Until we land, 4 hours. Until I slap you on the head, 4 seconds. Lucky the guys from La Résistance found us, and we were able to teach them how to use camouflage. Because up until then, their technique was pathetic, and anyone could spot them, especially Tonguex with his heat vision. That doesn't mean he can tell whether a thermos flask is full or empty without opening it, which would have been useful when you're serving coffee on a plane. Heat vision means that he can see the heat given off by the bodies of living things. They're almost as good at finding things as your mom. But Tonguex never starts off with, have you looked in your bedroom? To sum up, Tonguex can ruin the vacation of a lifetime. And that's all the info we... What is it, Phoenix? This isn't a plane. Oh, all right. For old time's sake. The captain and crew wish you a safe journey, and we look forward to flying with you again.